If you're in a relationship, one of the things that you should watch out for is your pride. Pride is a destroyer of relationships. When your pride gets triggered, you feel like your opinions are more important than your partner's. You also feel like your wants and needs take priority over theirs. Remember that there's no you and me in pride. It's always you versus me, and I always have to win. This creates a great imbalance in your relationship where your partner constantly feels invalidated, undervalued, and unimportant. This is usually the reason why they don't want to communicate with you anymore. So if you're experiencing this in your relationship, a good way to start fighting your pride is by first admitting to your partner that you have a problem with it. Then, ask for their forgiveness and start working on intentionally valuing them, their opinions, and their wants and needs whenever you have conversations with them. Hope this helps, and if you have any questions or opinions about this topic, please share them in the comments.